Let me guess, you've been posting videos, refreshing your YouTube studio every few minutes, and you're still stuck at 27 subscribers, or maybe 103, and you're wondering, how do people get to 1,000 subscribers so fast, especially faceless channels? No ads, no shout outs, no lucky viral video, just smart moves. Well, this video is going to break it all down step by step. So if you follow what I'm about to show you, 1,000 subscribers in 7 days is very possible, even with no face on your camera. Let's get right into it. Here's the real reason most people don't grow on YouTube. They are either posting random content or they are copying other channels without understanding what actually works. And worse, they think being faceless is a disadvantage. It's not. In fact, faceless channels are booming right now because they are faster to produce, easier to scale, and more bingeable. I myself have 3 faceless channels at the moment, and trust me, it is going wonderfully well. But here's the catch. You can't just post anything and expect results. You need a strategy, and that's what I'm going to give you today. Here is the simple formula to hit 1K subscribers in 7 days without ads, without promotion. First, you need to pick a binge-worthy niche. Your niche is very important. Pick a very bingeable niche, something that you know somebody can keep, watching more, just like maybe storytelling niche that people always want to watch a story, or something very interesting. Use searchable topics. Use topics that people are actively searching for right now. For example, if you want to make a video on AI and faceless channels, that is what most people are searching for right now. So you can use topics like that in your niche. Optimize your titles and your thumbnail always. You can use vidIQ to optimize it. You can use Google. You can use ChatGPT. I've showed you a lot of ways for you to be able to do that. I'm going to link those videos in the card. And also, you need to post daily or every other day for 1 week. You need to be consistent with your posting. You cannot just post once in 2 weeks and then vanish and then come back 2 weeks later and post again. No, you need to be consistent in your posting so that you are in people's faces. Then use retention focus structure. Structure your video for high retention. I've already made videos about this, so please check them out on the channel. This is going to help you grow on your YouTube journey. And also leverage one community push. You can use your TikTok, you can use your Instagram, use your other platform community to also boost your new channel. Now let me break each and every one of them down for you. When I say pick bingeable niche, what bingeable means is people want to watch more than one of your video in one sitting. Here's a few faceless niche that grows fast. You have YouTube automation plus money making tips, videos like that. We have AI tools plus tutorial or celebrity documentary voiceover channel, motivational or educational, storytelling, simple tutorials, those kind of videos. But stick to one niche for now. Do not confuse the algorithm. Your first 10 videos should feel like a Netflix series, not just a random mixtape. Now, for using searchable topics, at the beginning, YouTube won't push your videos unless people are searching for them. So you can go to YouTube search bar, start typing something like how to grow on YouTube or how to make a faceless channel, how to get monetized. You will see autocomplete suggestions, and these are the real search. I've made a video about how to use the YouTube search bar to, get video ideas. I'm going to link that video for you. So watch that. You'll understand what I'm talking about. Also, make videos using those exact titles in the search bar or variations of that. You can add maybe in 2025 to make it fresh, or you can add something like for beginners or to target newbies. You understand? Or no face, no voice if you want to niche down. This is free traffic waiting for you. Now, for your video structure, when I say tailor your video for, high retention, here's how your faceless video should flow. The hook, which is the first 5 seconds, call out the viewer's pain. Next, you set up. Tell them what you solve in the video. Next is the step-by-step value. Break it down for them simply. The next is visuals. You can use screen recordings, you can use animation or B-rolls to show what you're saying. Then your voice needs to be calm, it needs to be friendly, it needs to be clear. There's no need to be dramatic. Lastly, your CTA, which is the call to action. And by telling them what to do next, which could be subscribe or watch the next video or try this out today, something like that. But your first video might not be perfect. That's okay. Just make sure it helps someone clearly. Because once your video is valuable, entertaining, or engaging, you're definitely going to get views. You're definitely going to get audience. That's the key. Next is optimizing your titles and your thumbnails. A thumbnail that works. Don't waste time making boring titles like tips for new beginners or new YouTubers. Instead, you try something like how I got 1,000 subscribers in 1 week. No face, no ads. You're doing faceless YouTube wrong. Here's why. The only faceless channel strategy that works in 2025. Those kind of titles, those are the titles that grab attention and gets people to want to watch the video because you're now tackling their pain point and you're giving solution to, the pain or whatever it is you're going through for their problems on YouTube. Thumbnails should be bold, simple, readable on a small screen. Don't over design. Use big text, arrows, circles, maybe a screenshot of your YouTube studio, okay? Next, you need to post consistently for 7 days. Yes, you can post daily if you batch your videos. If not, post every other day, but do not go silent. The algorithm rewards momentum. So even if your first 2 to 3 videos flop, the fourth one can pop off if it is optimized right. Use the same style and format for every upload that week. Let YouTube know that this is a consistent channel. Push me to the right audience. And lastly, leveraging one of your platform's community to push your new channel. So here is the secret sauce most beginners skip. After uploading, go to one of these platforms. You could use Reddit, you could use TikTok, you could use your YouTube comments. On Reddit, you'll find new YouTubers or you find YouTube startups. On TikTok, you can post a teaser of your video with a hook plus the link. YouTube comments, you can drop helpful replies under viral videos in your niche. Do not spam, okay? For example, you could say something like, if anyone is starting a Faceless channel and struggling, I just posted a full walkthrough on how I got 1,000 subscribers in a week. Hope this helps. That one comment can bring in hundreds of targeted views. Fast. Now, here are my final tips to reach 1K subscribers fast. Let me leave you with 5 quick power tips, okay? 1, use your voice if you can, even if it's AI generated. Like text-only videos don't hold retention. Make sure there's a voiceover on it. And now with the new YouTube policy update, you actually need to either use your voice or use an AI voice that actually sounds very realistic. 2, you need to edit fast. It doesn't need to be perfect. Done is better than perfect, okay? Then 3, focus on titles more than the scripts. Because if nobody clicks, then they will never hear how good your video is. They will never watch it. So the title is very important to get people to click and get the message. 4, don't check your analytic every 10 minutes. It kills your motivation. Check after a few days, then you'll see progress and know where to work on. Then lastly, one video can change everything. Do not give up after 3 uploads. Do not. I always tell all my clients that your first 10 videos might not work well. Your first 20 videos might not even work. But just keeping the momentum and being consistent, it helps. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and make sure you share this video with somebody that is also struggling with 1,000 subscribers. Check out the cards. I'm going to link videos in the cards to help you with your YouTube growth. Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope this really helps. Let me know what you think about it and what you'll be trying down and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.